Hi, I'm Beka Shea with Laplace Transforms, and I have attorney Miller from the Miller Law Group here.
Hello.
They've been in business for 17 years, father and son operation. Larry does most of the law now practice.
It's always been my firm. My dad joined 3-4 years later,
Oh.
and he does patents and trademarks.
And so we're going to spend some time talking today about estate planning, wills, and some of the things you should know, like tenants by entirety and how that applies to you. Hopefully you'll get some good information out of this, but stick with us for a few minutes. Okay, so tell us a little bit about yourself and your law firm, your journey. How did you get into this?
I graduated from Villanova Law School, and when I graduated, my goal was to start my own law firm. And early on, I didn't know what I was doing. You get a job with a big firm, and you kind of learn the ropes a little bit. But one of the things that bothered me about a big firm, or at least a typical big firm, is that they're usually there to discuss how much money to get out of each individual. For a project such as a will, a lot of law firms, you don't even see the attorney to the end. It's a paralegal getting an intake, and you kind of give them some basic facts, and they churn out a document.
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to be able to have a firm where we treated people a little different, and it became a goal of mine. So in 2001, created the Miller Law Group, and we had a couple ideas that we were going to operate by. And one of them was that even for things like wills, and wills is not an inexpensive item, but it's by comparison to large lawsuits, it's not a huge moneymaker for law firms. So what we did with wills, though, that was one of the things I want to be able to do, was to give people the attention they deserve. So when we do a will, we have an initial consultation where people come in and we go through not just the questions about who you are, what you want to do, but I go through options and ask questions like, well, what if this person passes away? What if this person can't inherit? And I haven't had an interview yet where someone looked at me at some point and goes, wow, I didn't think of that. Mm-hmm. That's to me, I mean, you can go to get a form somewhere, but what you're going to get is a form document that won't show you, it doesn't have any kind of flexibility, it's not custom.
Right.
So what you're going to a lawyer for is to examine all your options, know what the best things to do, be able to provide a will that's specific and custom to you, and that's the process that we do. So we have an initial interview where I give you options. I'm not a salesperson, I'm a counselor, so my job is to give you options and let you decide what you want to do. Then I go back and draft the documents that you wish to do. And then I have a third meeting, or a second meeting with you, where I come in and we read the will together. Number one, I'll make sure all the names are spelled right. I want to review again what it says. Maybe you've changed your mind, maybe you've had second thoughts. I always tell people, I said, when you're done, this will be exactly what you want, and you'll know exactly what everything means. Now, you might forget about it by the time you hit the parking lot, but you'll at least know what it was when we reviewed it. Because again, this is your will, it's not mine. To me, it's a bit of a travesty to have a will and you didn't know what was in it because it just kind of, with the big words, you kind of glossed over.